Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out how we can catch multiple spikes like this. You can see this all these happened on 15 minutes time frame. If you want to learn how to catch multiple spikes like this, then you need to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, here is another good example of it. You can see right from here it spiked down till it got to this region. Okay, and all these also happened on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so in this video I will explain to you in details how you too can achieve the same results like this. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said, we want to know how we can catch multiple spikes just the way I have shown you earlier in this video. However, before you think of how you can catch multiple spikes, we need to know what spikes is all about and how we can catch the spikes, or the right time to catch the spikes. Okay, so first of all, spike is a sudden movement that happens whenever a trading activity is going. Okay, depending on the exact assets you are trading. Okay, so this is what happens, guys. This is what happens. You can have a kind of downward trend like this. Okay, and all of a sudden you just see something shooting up like this. Okay, so that is what we call spikes, and sometimes it can claim the whole of the trade that you have been doing since morning. Okay, because this happens within seconds. This kind of movement happens within seconds. This will take some time to happen. It also depends on the exact assets you are trading, and you can only experience spikes trading whenever you are trading some specific assets. Okay, some specific synthetic indices assets. Okay, such as GainX and PainX. These are places where you can experience spikes trading. Okay, so now let's see when you can easily trade spikes like this. Instead of us trading the normal trend, we want to see how we can trade spikes before you can think of trading spikes, because if you do not know the right time to trade spikes, you are most likely to lose your money. I'm going to repeat that again. If you do not know the right time to trade spikes, you are most likely to lose your money. Okay, now let's see this together. So, first of all, if you want to have the opportunity to catch multiple spikes, then you need to be talking about how you can trade spikes. I don't try to catch spikes, because catching spikes is like having a guesswork. Okay, but if you know how to trade spikes, then it gives you more confidence in the market, and you are most likely to get multiple spikes within that period. Okay, so now let's see what and what we need to look out for before we can trade spikes. Like I said, there are two major areas where you can experience spikes trading. We got the gain X assets and the pain X assets. Okay, so for gain X, these are the things you need to look out for before you think of trading spikes. You look out for the uptrend. Okay, before you can trade spikes on GainX, the market must be on uptrend. Okay, and of course, before you can trade spikes on GainX, it will only happen within the support zones. So each time the market get to the support zones, we are most likely to experience spikes happening around there. But that will only be when the market is on uptrend. If you are targeting the support zone when the market is on downtrend for gain X, then you are going to get it wrong. You are going to lose your money at that point. For instance, let's see this, guys. let's see this market is on downtrend at this point, and let's say you decide to target, here is a mini support zone, and you can see it broke out below it and it sold more. Right here is another mini support zone, and you can see it broke out below it and it sold more. So the support zones on downtrend will not work. It will only work on uptrend. If you should notice, right here is a support zone, it spiked up, and of course another support zone around there, it spiked up, another support zone around there. We got so many spikes happening around there. Okay, so that is why it is important you focus on the support zone. When the market is on uptrend, you're going to get multiple spikes happening around there. So now let's see how it works. Okay, but before we do that, let's check out for pain x also. For pain x, it is the opposite of gain X. Okay, for pain X, the market must be on downtrend, and it will only happen at the resistance zone. So when the market is on downtrend, all the resistance zones are important for spikes trading. Okay, all the resistance zones are important for spikes trading. But when the market is on uptrend, you don't try, I mean, you should stay away from spikes trading at that particular point, because you are most likely to lose your money right from there. So this is very, very important. Now let's see how we can trade multiple spikes. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to make sure the market change into an uptrend. For we are on gain X right now. Okay, it was on downtrend before, but when it got to this support zone, it was unable to break out from there. So if you had placed your order around yourself, you would have had an opportunity to catch some spikes here. But we are not talking about short period of catching spikes, okay? Because catching spikes has to do with short period, okay? But we want to trade spikes. We want to experience multiple spikes trading. So what you need to do is wait for the trend to switch from this downtrend into an uptrend. So it switched at this point, and right there is a support zone. Get a buy signal. Once you get a buy signal, you place your order at this point and set your stop loss at this support zone. And you can see we got so many spikes happening around there. You can see if you are coming around here, so you can see it spiked up till it got to this region. This will have given you a lot of money. Now let's see more, guys. Let's see more. Right here is a support region. It switched into an uptrend, and of course we got a buy signal. If we had placed our order somewhere here and we put our stop loss somewhere here, this will have given us the opportunity to trade the spikes, multiple spikes on 15-minute time frame till it got to this resistance zone. You can see how beautiful this is, guys. You can see how beautiful this is. The same thing is applicable to pain X. For pain X, it has to be when the market is on downtrend, and of course the spikes will definitely happen at the resistance zone when the market is on downtrend. So right there it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it started spiking. Okay, if you want to trade the spike for a very long time, wait for this to switch into a downtrend and get a sell signal, then you place your order at this point and your stop loss at the resistance zone, and this will give you the opportunity to trade the spikes right from here till this very end. You can see it is an opportunity, guys. This will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Multiple spikes, trading multiple spikes for a very long time, so this will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Okay, so that is what we that is the kind of benefit we are getting from this strategy. It is called the trend trading strategy. You only need to follow the trend and you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve with it. It is as simple as that. Okay, and that is why I'm able to come up with a custom made indicator with it, because it has been giving me profitable results on daily basis, and I'm really proud of this. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. I hope you have learned one or two things with this. You can go back to your account and practice well with it, so that you will have a better understanding of how it works and how you can apply it whenever you are trading. But if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.